Mumbai Ultimate's oldest player. He's one of the first few people to start playing Ultimate in Mumbai.
Tuhin solid. So I hope the icebreakers, and with that, Karan, there you go, gets a D right in the end zone. A little push from Bhavya in the end, but all's good, all's well that ends.
Teams are really strong. Both teams have some very skilled, experienced players, and they also have fresh but fast legs as well. So it'll be interesting.
Looking for an option up, but looks like he's had to go for the swing. Swings it to Mac, but rather dumps it. Mac goes deep to Tuhin. Over Tahir's head. Tuhin grabs it.
And Tuhin scores so seamlessly. We have Jo with the disc, a nice little grab. She's looking for options. Rizwan gave her that option. Tahir with the disc now. Tahir is looking cool today, huh? With his, he's changed his look a little bit. And Tahir with a great D. Oh, not D, sorry, grab. He kind of laid out for that. Laying out
stuff for the tournament. Looks like they just need a hat and sunglasses for Tahir.
Decathlon. It's a black hole. You never leave without buying.
Bunties. Good patience. Mac to Tuhin. Tuhin on the sideline, close to the end zone. Looking for an option to come out of there. Sideline. How are they going to bring it out of there? Back to Mac. Mac with a hammer to the end zone. Open Tuhin.
Into Tuhin's hands. That was really well executed. That hammer was quite accurate. And into Tahir's hands. Tahir looking to Sachin. Sachin's looking upline and he sends it to Jo. Beautiful put. Grabbed by Jo just outside the end zone. So they've got a...
Jo to Sharanya. Back to Jo.
But they drop it. I think they rushed into that. They could have taken it just a little slower. It's a little disheartening, but it's a part of the game and keeping it and a part of keeping it fair, I guess. Vagesh was running away from that disc. He didn't realize that there was a pass going.
Money with the first cut. Ooh, slightly pushed by Jo.
Yeah, Jo.
But
relax, Jo.
Jo.
Nice save by Vagesh. I think that was a foul which has been accepted by Rizwan. And this that's been D'd by Beast, Decathlon gear. Sachin giving an option, but he's looking long. He's looking at either Bhavya or Jo in the end zone, and Bhavya nicely grabs it out of the air. Very okay. Tahir with the disc. Mac marking Tahir. We have a crazy hammer going in, but gets D'd by Dexter. Dexter had perfect positioning. Known as Arushi. She is again another very reliable, very calm player. Pleasure to play with. Mac with the disc to Karan. Karan's looking for other options. Mac looking deep and into Sid Tataria's hands, right outside the end zone. He's looking for options in the end zone, and Vagesh with another score. Really nice work by Vagesh and Sid Tataria.
Are defended by the zone. So you have 3 people in the cup, 1 short, 2 wings and 1 deep, and he's trying for a long hug. Beautiful. Bhavya scored right at the end zone. They were right there, still they were willing to bring it back. Oh, great hammer to Karan.
One of Mac's famous hammers into Karan's hands. The last game, if I'm not wrong, Mac and Karan scored, I think 4 points underway. Bhavya, nice upline. They got quite some distance with that put. And a nice D by Dhwani. Really nice presence of mind. Deep. There's not a lot of deep options coming in actually. There's not a lot of people running deep as options. And Rakesh tried really hard to D that, but Bhavya got it and scored. Absolutely. Sharanya with the disc looking to Rizwan, but it gets D'd by Sid. Dhwani is looking for the swing to Mac. Beautiful put into Karan's hands. Once again, the Bunties have scored to Joanna, but Rohan saves it and he looks deep. That's a beautiful put to Tahir. That was really impressive. Rohan usually is one who sort of fills in the shorter passes, fills in the shorter throws. swing. Rizwan looking deep and a beautiful put. That was so well executed. Maqsood to Sid. Sid swinging to Mac once again. They're playing a very patient game right now, it seems, which is always a great thing. Mac looking deep to Karan. That was
Beautiful.
really perfect. You could see someone try to jump for it, but didn't quite get it. So, and was right outside their reach. And that's what like accuracy is. It's so impressive to watch these kinds of plays. They have. Okay, the Bantais have thrown a zone against the Icebreakers. Rizwan with a really aggressive in the disc. They have whoever has the disc. Nice try by Tuhin there. Rizwan with a really nice grab, very aware of the line. He towed the disc. He got it, but it seems there were a few questions. Okay, it goes uncontested. Rizwan looking for options. And a D by Dexter. Beautiful. That is really nice presence of mind and reflex by Dexter. Really nice work. Rohan with a tight mark. And a D by Sachin. Beautiful defense. To Sid. Max really just weaving his way through his players. Looking deep into Vagish's hands. And a beautiful D by Rizwan. If they score this, they will have won the match because there's only about 2 minutes to game. Sid Raka with the disc to Mac. Mac to Sid and Sid scores. They have a 1 point lead and perhaps 1 minute left. Really worked for it. And it could have gone either way really. For most part of the game, they were even and with only 1 point difference. So a very fun match to watch, to commentate. Thank you for joining us, Atir.